You're smarter than I expected.
I found you.
Happy birthday! This is for you!
Thank you, Joy. I'm so glad you came to my party.
Look! A clown is coming!
Hello, kids! Who wants to see an incredible magic trick?
That was amazing!
Stay here with Jack, Julie. I'm gonna get some cake for us.
Okay, big brother.
Would you like this giant ice cream?
Wow, it's bigger than my head.
I also have more balloons, delicious sweets, and a box full of wonderful toys outside.
Julie, I brought your favorite strawberry cake. Have you seen my sister? The clown took my sister. We have to find her.
Which way did they go?
Panicking won't help, Julie. We need to search for clues.
This came from the ice cream the clown gave her. They went this way.
Joy, what happened?
Dad, a clown kidnapped Julie from Jack's birthday party. Jack and I are following their trail. I don't know. We're near the road behind Jack's house.
I'm calling the police. Keep the smartwatch on. I need to track your location. Don't confront the kidnapper.
Okay, Dad. The trail ends here. It's Julie's hair clip. She must have dropped it so we would know where she went.
That ribbon came from Julie's dress. They climbed through this opening and went toward the dirt road.
These large footprints belong to the clown's oversized shoes. The small ones are Julie's. That means she was still walking when they came through here.
We lost them again.
She wants us to keep following.
She knows you'll find her.
Look! The clown had red balloons at the party.
They definitely went inside that warehouse.
We need proof that Julie is inside. She's inside. We should wait for the police. Mom, Dad, can you hear me? Joy!
Where are you?
We've got the news. Police are on their way. And don't go into the building.
We'll stay outside.
I want my mommy. I want my brother.
Sit still and be quiet, you annoying kid.
Watching the entrance, the police might not be able to approach without him seeing them. I'll throw a stone at that bucket. When he leaves to investigate, the police can surround him.
What was that? Is someone out there?
Police! Drop the weapon and put your hands in the air!
Okay. I give up. Please don't shoot. You are under arrest for kidnapping a child.
They caught him. Now we need to tell the officers where Julie is. My little sister is still inside. She's somewhere near the back of the warehouse.
Stay behind us. The building may be dangerous.
Julie! Julie, can you hear me?
Joy! I'm over here! Joy, I knew you would find me.
You left excellent clues for us. The ice cream, your hair clip, the ribbon, cookie crumbs, your bracelet, the balloon, and your shoe led us all the way here.
I was scared, but I remembered that Joy always looks for clues.
My babies. Thank goodness you're safe.
We were terrified. Are you hurt?
No, Dad. Jack and I stayed hidden until the police came.
Thank you for helping Joy and staying beside him.
Joy is my best friend. I couldn't let him search alone.
Joy, your observation skills and the GPS signal from your smartwatch helped us locate this warehouse quickly. Julie also did an excellent job leaving a trail.
He can't hurt you anymore.
Julie, can you tell us why you followed the clown? Even if a stranger says that your parents sent them, you should not go unless they know the family safety password.
The secret password only our family knows? I promise. I've had comes, I promise.